If you've ever thought about launching your own membership site with your own video content as a way to earn money and even connect with people, then I've got something to show you in this video. Hey there, I'm Kevin Kolbe, and today we're talking about Uscreen. Now, if you haven't heard of Uscreen, think of like the best of YouTube and the best of Netflix kind of combined into this mega membership site that also has community built in, a way to earn money, and even some really cool features that I want to show you. Now, this is a perfect place for video creators or even businesses who have video content. Now, Uscreen is sponsoring this video. They reached out and asked if I would do an unbiased review, and I said yes. They set me up for a free account so I could play with everything I'm going to show you. So everything I'm going through is actually my comments on it. Hang on one second. I typically don't do this at the beginning of a video, but if you don't have a Uscreen account, why don't you hit the link I put down in the description? You can get a free trial, and then you can follow along with me on the video, and you can see all the things that I'm seeing that I think are, kind of cool about Uscreen. So grab the link, set up your account, and you got to promise come back, and now let's jump back into the video. So here's your dashboard where you're going to start. And some of the things I like is you can immediately schedule an onboarding session, so you don't have to like fumble around and figure out how to do this. There's videos here, a lot of videos, and I've watched some of these and they're really good to walk you through. And there's even like a get started checklist. Now, in order to have like a video library, you need video content. So let me show you that. So you'll click on content, and this is where you'll add content. Now, I've just uploaded a few videos just to kind of test it out. Did take a little bit of time to upload it. Could be the length of the video, the internet, even though I do have extremely fast internet. But just keep that in mind depending on how many pieces of content you're going to upload. But you've also got live streaming, which allows you then to live stream to your community, which is really, really cool. Kind of a little perk if you want to. You don't have to use it, but it is there. Now, something I really liked was the calendar section. And it says right there, you can level up your membership with a calendar. So think of it as scheduling events for your membership group, whether it's a live stream you're doing or you're dropping a special video or you have a guest. This is a great way to keep people engaged. So I really liked this feature. So I guess you could use Uscreen as just a straight up video subscription service. But if you wanted community, you go to the community section, and right there is where you could launch your community. There's even a video there to show you how you can do it. And this is just another way to keep people engaged. So let's talk about subscription plans. Now, one of the things I really liked is they came with two examples. So let's say right here, you wanted to do a monthly subscription. You click on that. All of this is customizable. You don't even have to call it monthly. You could call it something else. You could change what the membership comes with, change the graphic. You could change the price. So let's say you wanted it to be $7.99, and let's say you wanted a trial period to be 9 days or something like that. You can also make this private or public. You hit save, and it immediately will save that back to here. And you can add to this. These are here just to get you jump started. So now the question is, if you build it, will they come? Sounds like a movie, doesn't it? Well, marketing is my background, and this is the part of Uscreen outside of all the other cool features that I really, really liked a lot, and it's the marketing tab. Under the marketing tab, you're going to get a lot of different things like giveaway funnels. You can refer a friend, build landing pages. You can do a lot of different things like subscription upsells and email broadcasts, but check this out. YouTube lead generator. This would be a way to connect it to your YouTube channel and actually grow leads off of your channel with different things. This is so cool. So all of these are really cool features, but it even gets a little better by giving you your own website. So go to the website tab, and you'll notice I've already selected a theme, but just go to browse themes. Now, there's not a ton of themes in here, but quite honestly, I don't know that you need that many. I know sometimes I get overwhelmed with too many options, but let's say you wanted to look at this one. You can preview it, and it's going to show you exactly what it looks like. Let's say you thought maybe this one would work. Again, you could preview it, and it gives you an idea of what it could look like. But if you're ready to use one, let's just say add to library, and it's there, and then you can jump into the customization, and that gives you the ability to change everything on here. And you may be familiar with something like this on a lot of website builders, but this is really cool that this is built into it, so your Uscreen site looks more like you. Now, I do a ton of stuff on my desktop, but Let's say you wanted to have a mobile app for your Uscreen account. Check this out. You go to the mobile and TV apps tab and check this out. You can also create your own mobile app and TV app and look at some of the things they connect with too. So this is really, really cool. Now, I don't know where you are in your creative journey. I will say this, Uscreen is not cheap, but they have a lot of different options. So if you're interested, use the link down in the description, grab your free trial, and you can schedule a call with somebody on the Uscreen team. They'll walk you through everything. You can talk about the money you want to make or how you want to use it, and they'll help you that way. And if you do that, make sure you say Kevin Kolbe, which is me, sent you. So thanks for watching. And if you end up grabbing it, let me know what you think of Uscreen.